Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox an air dehumidifier, 除湿机 by Samu Giken. So the model number is DEH06 and this is the console series. And this is Japan design. So if you look around the box, it says automatic defrost function, portable, lightweight and quiet with temperature, time and humidity indicator, and it also automatically turns off when the water tank is full. So yeah, so the area of dehumidification is less than 30 meters square. So keep in mind when you buy, if let's say your room or your house is around this size, then it's suitable, but if it's not, then you probably want to think about other models that can cater to the larger area of your desired place. And the water tank capacity is 2.2 liter. So let's see if there's anything here. Yeah, just the e-warranty here. So without further ado, let's open it up. And then and we have this manual e-card warranty here. So we have this drain pipe, and this model also comes with a controller. So what's on it? Power button, sleep button, timer, air purifier, defrost, plus and minus. So this is to control the level. So let me show you again. Very thin. Runs on a battery, but this battery is the flat type battery. So if I just open it, not easy to open, I think. So you get the idea. And it does say that it uses a 3 volt CR2025 battery. Yep. So it actually requires us to push. What it says to push here and then drag it up. I think I need 2 fingers, 2 hands to do that. It's not easy though, I feel. Well, I give up. Anyway, it says not to throw it off, so yeah. And then some advertisement things. And then some manual book. Here's the usual manual, very thin, just a piece of paper actually. Yeah. So it does tell you how to read. So dehumidification indicator, air purifying indicator, water tank temperature indicator, time indicator, humidity indicator, sleep indicator, and defrost indicator. Everything is indicator. Yeah. I can't find how long is the warranty though, but I'll assume it is at least 6 months to 1 year. So without further ado, let me get the humidifier out itself. Yeah, so this is for the Malaysian market actually. And then we have, yep, Malaysian market. Nothing else in the box. Let's just put it aside and let's take a look at the humidifier itself. So it's not as tall, it's pretty small, and then there's a screen here that all the indicators are here, and then power button here, water tank here, and then I think it draws air here and then blows it out on the sides, both sides. Anything down there? Nothing else. No stands, no stand fit also. And then this is the water tank itself. So 2.2 liter. And then you can actually open it up to clear the water. And this is the indicator here where if it floats, If the water is full, it will float out, and then hit the button down here. Here, I believe, and then no, it's actually here. Yeah, this one. Not sure if you can see. And then it will tell that the water is full, and then the tank will, and then this machine will auto shut off. So one thing that I don't like is you actually have to put it here, and then put this thing back here. So it's a bit of a hassle. You cannot just put it on top of it. Oh, you can, but you can try, but I prefer to put it this way. And then there's a rubber stopper here, I think. I'm not sure what it does, but maybe if you don't want to open this cap, you can just pull the water out here with this open. So I guess that's how you use it. So let me just put it back, and let's connect it. So we have this connected now, and then let's just push on the button. So it's running now, if you can hear it. And then yep, and then here's the controller itself. So let's say if I want to power it off, it's off. It's on now. If I go to sleep, then it will go to sleep. Press it again, it will go back to function again. You can set timer, and then use the plus and minus button to set your timer up to 24 hours actually. Yeah, and then you can also set the purifying mode, which it is on running now. Then I just press it to deactivate and activate it. And here is also the defrost function. I don't think we need to use it today. And then yeah, I usually keep this controller here, and actually they design a handle on top of it. So overall it's nice to use. It's not that loud, and it does function well for my room size, but if your room is bigger, then it's not that functional. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot about this hose. Not sure where is this connected to though. Let me just turn it off, and then yeah, I believe you need to take this tank out actually. Yep. So the pipe here is actually connected here. If you can see, so you connect it here. Then you pull this pipe into your basin or something. Then you can draw more water without stopping. Otherwise, just use the tanker, which I use because I don't have any, because I don't put it near basin or whatsoever. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.